Have you ever implemented loading state? I've seen every front-end developer implemented such functionality at least once. But what is the right way to add delay? I will use React to show you how to do it, but this solution doesn't depend on frameworks or libraries. So, this example adds 2 seconds delay before getting data. We have delay function with setTimeout, getData, which fetches the data with delay, and a list component. When we click on getData button, we start showing loading state. Then we fetch data, save it to the store, and then hide loading state. Also, I use Promise.all timer to show you how much time it takes. It's simple and easy to understand from one side, but from another one, it's not flexible. The delay is always 2 seconds, whether the fetch takes longer or not. Let's imagine we have bad network or any other issues and our fetch takes seconds. In our example, I use slow 3G internet, and to get data, we need to wait for more than 3 seconds. Because of adding timeout, we have more than 5 seconds delay in total. But it was enough to show spinner only during fetching the data and without timeout. That's not the best user experience. In this case, it's better to delete timeout at all, because the delay is already more than 2 seconds. So let's delete timeout from getData and fetch data one more time. To refresh the page, I'll use normal internet connection to speed up the process. And before clicking on getData, let's turn on 3G internet connection one more time. So let's switch our internet connection and click on getData. Now we show a loading state only during fetching data, and we don't add any additional delays when the request already takes more than 2 seconds. But we didn't implement anything, just deleted delay. Let's now add delay when it needs, and skip it when fetch takes more than 2 seconds. Now it's time to write the solution. We'll modify only handle getData function. Let's save the result of promise to the variable fetchPromise. Let's finish it, and in the then function, we rename JSON data to data, just to make it shorter, and we return object with data and delay needed value. Delay needed true says that we need to use here delay. In the edge we have almost the same what we had before, but if something went wrong, we use delay needed false. So let's copy our console error and just put it here. And also we need to return delay needed false. So let's add delay needed false, and as you can see, we have the same delay needed false in our setTimeout. We use delay needed true only after fetching the result. So the delay needed flag is used to indicate whether the fetch operation was successful or not. Use it here to ensure a minimum time delay before proceeding with other actions. And the main part of the solution is Promise.all. We wait for both fetch and delay to complete. When all promises are completed and fetch was successful, we save our data. We are interested only in fetch result, so here we need to import result from the fetch promise. So let's add here fetch result. Fetch result is a result of our fetch promise. So here we need to add our if statement. We are going to handle our fetch result. So let's add here fetch result dot data. Oops, sorry, not data, delay needed. If delay needed is not false or just true, we need to use setData with our fetch result dot data. So let's save our data using setData function. The next step is hide our loading state using setLoading false. Everything what we need we have in our finally method. So let's remove our finally method and move everything what we need in Promise.all. So let's refresh the page and test if everything works. We need to click on getData, and expected time is a bit more than 2 seconds. Set timeout with 2 seconds plus fetch. And as you can see, it works. Now let's test our solution with slow internet connection. Let's click on getData button and wait for the result. And it took 3 seconds to receive data. And execution time is the same. It means that we didn't add any delays when fetch takes more than 2 seconds. Now let's test good internet connection, where the expected time is a bit more than 2 seconds. 2 seconds delay plus some time which fetch function takes. Based on the execution time, everything works as expected. Feel free to adjust the delay as you want or even optimize the solution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button.